Guys, do you see my breath? I see my breath, and I don't know if y'all see it, but it's really embarrassing. It's like really cold in this room. Hopefully this is neck up. I might have to crop this. Hey everybody, today I have got a haul to show you. Now, first of all, it's all makeup. You already know. You already know. One is from Dollar General, one is from Dollar Tree. So if you're ready to see what I got, just keep watching. How are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now, before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. Guys, I have got a haul for you, so I will go ahead and just tell you that it's all makeup. Okay, first of all, there is some stuff that I got from Dollar General, and of course, you know I love the holiday palettes and the holiday makeup kits that they put out. And then I went to Dollar Tree because I am just so curious to test out some of that makeup and see how it performs. I do want to do a video, maybe not doing a full face. I don't know if they've got everything to make a full face at Dollar Tree, but I will do what I can. But first, I wanted to show you, there is this thing from X-Lash, which kind of sounds like X-Lax. It's really funny. But anyways, they wanted me to review some of their products, and I think it's going to take like 3 or 4 weeks, but I've been using this stuff every night. So I'm testing this, and I'm just letting you know. I'm going to let you know whether this stuff works or not in a video later on in about 3 to 4 weeks. Now, one is an X-Lash serum. This is a serum that you put on your lash line. It's supposed to grow your lashes. And, of course, X-Brow. Now, look at the packaging. I think they are just, packaging is definitely on point. But this is supposed to give you more brow. So, we're going to see in a later video if those little bad boys work. But I did want to go ahead and mention that and show you what I was doing and what I've been up to. Now, let's get into the video. First, I'll show you the stuff from Dollar General. And, of course, you know, I've already opened this stuff. And I've already tried most of it except for some stuff from the Dollar Tree. Now, there's the packaging that one of the palettes come in. Well, actually, the only palette that I got from there. I only got a couple of things from both these stores. But like I said, with the Dollar Tree, I'm going to try to find a full face of stuff in there. This is the packaging. It was only $7. And it's a palette. It says, "Hello, beautiful." And if you could see, got that rainbow metallic look. But look at this. Check this out, guys. Voila! Is that not adorable? It really is. Now, the colors didn't really appeal to me. I just wanted to try it out because I had the brushes, and these powders down here is what I was really after. These do come out of the little trays like this. Like, this is just trays in there. So, I'll go ahead and show you. Check that out. Now, guys, I will be honest. I'm being 100% honest. This is the Color Workshop. Their products, their formulas have never really worked for me. This is literally the blackest eyeshadow I have ever had in my life. It's on my eye right now. I don't know how good you can see it. I'll try to put up a look. But oh my gosh, that just stunned me when I seen this. Now, it doesn't really swatch that well, and I don't know why, because it is very, very pigmented. And even when it went on my eye, it was really pigmented, so... and it like to never come off my finger. Anyways, those are the eyeshadows. Now, in the next tray, if I could get it out. Now, in this next tray, these are supposed to be 3 brow powders. This is a contour. That's a highlight. This is an illuminator, highlighter. And this is a bronzer, and that is a blush. The bronzer is a little bit too warm for me. The blush, it come out so beautiful. I think that is such a beautiful shade. Well, it says it's an illuminator, but it is a highlighter, and I call this a brightener. That's what I would call it. But the highlighter, it looks so cool toned, and I didn't know how well it would work, but it is actually a really beautiful highlight. The brow powders, I did use this shade on my brows, and it does perform really well. But the contour shade, I actually used this brow powder for the contour shade, and I think it come out a lot better. These are the 3 brushes, and now this one I used for my contour. I think the brushes are lovely. They performed quite well. This one right here, this made a perfect crease brush. I loved it. I love these brushes. And of course, I'm glad that they did include a spoolie because I did need another one, so I do like the spoolie. And that is for that little guy, so we're going to be testing that out later. And of course, I had to pick up another Wet n Wild foundation. This is the Photo Focus foundation, and mine is in Buff Bisque. I had to have this foundation. I was out of it, and I just had to have more. I love it. I love the finish. It's just perfect. And of course, you know it comes with that little paddle stick on it, so it's so easy to apply. And that was it. That was basically all I got from Dollar General. Now I'll show you the stuff from Dollar Tree. Now first, I got this. This is supposed to be a cream foundation, and it is Sassy and Chic, or Sassy and Chic. I'm not exactly sure, but it says it's a BB cream, and then it says a beauty benefit cream is the BB instead of, you know. Anyways, it says it's multi-action skincare and makeup. I am so ready to test this out to see if it works, guys. Now, I have seen other reviews on it, and it's kind of hit or miss, but I just cannot wait to try it out. And, of course, they didn't have light when I was in there, so this is medium. So, I'm quite curious to see if it's going to match up right. They only had 3 shades. They had light, medium, and dark. Did get this little palette from there. Now, of course, you know, Dollar Tree, everything's $1. The palette, I think, is beautiful. Everything is shimmering there. This isn't really a palette that you would use on its own. As far as easy to travel with, I don't know. That packaging is just a little bit janky, but I think they are beautiful shades in here, and I thought they actually performed pretty good. Next thing, this is LA Colors. Oh, I forgot. That is Color Mate. This is LA Colors Shimmer Eyeliner, and I did get a white one. I love the end of these. I think it is so much easier when you're doing your eye makeup. But this also worked very well. Then I had to get a lip gloss. Guys, this lip gloss I actually fell in love with. This is LA Colors lip gloss, and it just says moisturizing formula, and it is in shade Just Kissed. I think it's just the perfect peachy colored lip gloss, but of course, it's going to go on sheer. It's going to go on clear. But it gives you like a glass-like look to your lips. So I really did love that. And next, I wanted to try one of their little concealers here. So the LA Colors concealer. And of course, I again had to get light medium. I'm not sure, but I hope this isn't their lightest shade because it is just, it matches my skin tone. So I did have to mix a little bit in with this. But I cannot wait to try this by itself just to see how it performs. So that and the foundation together, that should be
a beautiful day. A beautiful day.
But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. And again, remember, I'm going to try to find a full face of makeup with Dollar Tree stuff. And also, I have got another video coming up showing kind of, I don't want to say the name of it because then somebody's going to take it. But it's going to be about like the best and the worst makeup of 2018. So I'm doing all my research and stuff on that. I'm really working hard on that. So hopefully that video won't be too long. But make sure you go ahead and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And remember, I do an ASA spoilers, so you don't want to miss those. BoxyCharm, yes, oh yes, Ipsy, I do them all. So make sure you are subscribed and your bell notification is on. And that is it for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all this stuff. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys. Guys, an update on my skin. Oh my God, it's still getting dry, like drier than ever. And matter of fact, the swatches that I'm showing you is actually done on my son's arm because it has spread to my arms and my legs. It's just awful. So if you've got any advice, anything that's working, leave it down in the comment section, guys. I really need some work here.